So in this video I'm going to show you how to put together this free, I call it the chocolate squares box, which you can fit, you can see a lot of people, it's sized for Ghirardelli squares. So you see that two fit side by side in there. So it's a real simple box, something that you can make really easily as a gift, Christmas gift or other gift, whatever it is. So let's go ahead and put it together. So all you got to do is take this file and make sure that you fold it on the scores. Then we're going to add the panels. So you want to do that while it's flat. So I'm going to use my art glitter glue. So it's super simple. So you can download this free at Simply Crafty SVGs. There's a link in the video below. We have quite a few freebies. And you can see I just want to put a little space on the sides and the bottom. You can see how far away it is. You can see how this is kind of the look we're getting. So if you do have a Cricut or Silhouette or something like that, for Silhouette you do need a Designer Edition or above. You can go ahead and get our free files. I think we have, as of this video, 30 something I believe, free files. A lot of them are boxed ones too. If you do like our free files, I ask you to like this video or subscribe to our channel. It's very helpful. So now we have those panels on. Let's go ahead and put these little ones on. So you could add a lot to this. I mean, you could personalize it, add tags to it. Oops, don't do that though. Don't drop it with glue. So I'm leaving that glue there for just a minute until I'm done. Just lining this up for the handle, and just so I don't get it on anything else. So that's why I have a little towel around. And then on this side as well. Then all you have to do is add the little squares, and then you can tie it shut. Now I already cut a piece of ribbon. I have a bunch of Christmas ribbon. So that you can go ahead and make sure. We'll be using that to just tie it. You'll see that I just tie it. You could do it in a bow, but you can tie it in a knot. But before we can do that, let's get this box created. So we'll start with these bottom tabs. So you can just go ahead and add glue to that tab, fold it in, and glue it on the inside. And you're making sure that you're lining up this edge to the tab fold. Then you can just hold it. What's nice about art glitter glue is that it's you don't need a whole lot of glue, and once I got used to it, a little bit goes a long way. Took me a while because I still use Scotch Quick Dry, but I prefer art glitter for other reasons. Scotch is a little bit wetter. I thought this was wetter, but if you put less goes more, and Scotch Quick Dry dries really, really fast. But I still like it. Those are my two glues that I use. So just make sure it's good and secure. And you can make a lot of these quickly, so you could cut a whole bunch out. Pressure on tables is your friend. So we'll do these last tabs to the back, so we're just going to fold it up. I'm going to fold that in before I put glue on it. So we can just reach in and add the glue to that last tab. You see I'm matching it up here, as you can see. I'm just going to, you can put it upside down, put your hand in there, or you can use something like a wooden chopstick, which I use all the time. And then we'll get this last tab. And the paper, the cardstock I use is American Crafts cardstock. And you can see there's a link in the video to where you can get it. I like it because it's textured on one side. It really folds really well. and does well for boxes and 3D items for me. Some people like basil too, but I'm not. I'm used to the texture of this. So now we have that. So all you have to do is add the 2 little chocolates and anything else that would fit in here, but it was sized specifically for these little chocolate squares. And then once you're done, you can go ahead and tie a little ribbon or something like that. Like I said, I'm kind of, if you want to do it quickly, a nice knot with cut up with angled edges always looks okay. And that's it. It would be a great way to give a little extra at a little party, maybe a party favor, or also you could loop around something to make this a little ornament, like an ornament gift, or a tag that you, kind of like a tag box. We have other tag boxes that you add to a present. So that's just a nice little extra thing I think a lot of people would appreciate. So go ahead and download it if you haven't already done so, and from Simply Crafty SVGs.